Hi guys, Ken Chigbo, aka KenFX Freak, back with another week roundup and look ahead to the key events. Let's quickly recap last week, right, before we show the charts. Let's talk about markets heard being very much geared towards risk appetite. So good market sentiment because of the vaccine optimism, improving economic data points. So that's good, encouraging about the global recovery. We've seen good data from China actually this week in terms of factory price index, showing the second world's largest economy continuing to improve. And that helped the likes of AUD, the Aussie dollar, and NZD, the New Zealand dollar, because China is their biggest two-way trading partner. So anything that's good with China is good for those respective currencies. And I really, as I've said over a number of weeks, I like AUD and NZD further upside. And I'm going to show you on the chart in a moment. But if you look here, the dollar ended this is a weekly chart here. We were falling for 1, 2, 3 weeks, and it ended that weekly losing streak, and we've bounced. Why is that? The dollar has been given a respite because of Brexit. It's looking likely that the UK will leave without having agreed a deal with the EU, which is very, very bad for GP. Hence, you would have seen a lot of selling pressure on Friday. Look here on the chart for GBP, GU, and look here for GJ. Let's just bring up the daily chart. You see all that heavy downside pressure. Now, we're not going to analyze GBP because we're waiting on the latest on Brexit. What I'm going to take a look at is AUD, as I said. So I like AUD upside. Let's just put this on a 4-hour chart. Okay. We do have some data points this week. Labour market data. I'm expecting continued improvements there for the Australian labour market data. In terms of buying, I like the price to pull back a little bit around this zone. So from 75.15 towards 75.00, targets to the upside would be 76.75. You can see on a daily, really strong upside trend there. No sign of a slowdown at the moment. And that's the same with NZD. Look here, firstly on a daily, we broke out of, and I took some nice pips on this flag structure. Big breakout. And now we've caught support at a trend line in which we had slipped below. Look, a bit of a slip below there. And now we've caught support forming this flag structure. I'm expecting another breakout to the upside with targets would be around 71.80 this week for me. I also like the looks of gold, but gold shorts. Okay, and let me just bring this into perspective for you. So you can see the numerous rejections at this 38.2% Fibonacci. Rejection. And look at what we're forming. Let's just zoom in on the chart a little bit. We're forming a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So I'm looking for a breakout and retest shorts from where we are right now. I'd add to the shorts upon a break of this neckline at 118.25. So fresh shorts from there with a target down at 17.80 to test towards these lows at the back end of last month, back end of November. So that's everything on my watch list. I like the looks of AUD, NZD, and gold prices in terms of what's on my watch list. Be careful with GBP. As I said, I didn't want to analyze it today just because of the Brexit situation. Don't know what's going to happen there if they come to an agreement. But other than that, have an amazing week. Thank you.